Hi, Mike from Dirtydog here. I'm here to show you how to use our window bag for the JL, JK, fits all models, universal for the both models, JL and JK, 2-door, 4-door. Show you how to make use of the bag, how you can store it. So basically, I've already moved the windows. I got my two side windows and I got my front window here, my rear window here. The bag has 3 individual compartments to put the windows in. You can store the rear window with the tailgate bar, or you can put your tailgate bar, slide it off, put it back in place, however you want to use it. Makes the bag a little lighter, less awkward with the tailgate bar off. When you do put it in with the tailgate bar, the bar goes to the top of the bag, so it fits in easier along the back seats, in either or. So I'm just going to slide this off because I'm not going to use and it can just go back in place here either way. If you want, you can put something else in there. Easy to go, just take it, slide it in, first one in there, take your one side, and the sides have these heavy corners, so you just want to flip them corners to corners. You want to put one on one side of the bag, one on the other side of the bag, just so it sits flatter when it sits in there. So that's going to go in here, and just put them centered in the bag. That way it'll fit neater in the back. One side in. So there's your windows in, and they're each. I always recommend clean your windows before you put them in these bags. Clean your windows. The worst thing is just minor dust, just to wipe them down with a microfiber, damp microfiber. Get the dust off so you don't scratch them. So there you go. Your 3 closures across the top. They hold it in place. And now you can either choose to just carry the bag, put it somewhere. You can also use these straps if you want to hang it on the wall. You've got a couple hooks, you can hang this on the wall with these 2 straps. These 2 straps are kind of this is what goes around your headrest when you put it in the car. So installing the vehicle is very easy. It can go behind the rear seats, or it can go behind the front seats if you have your seats down as well. So I'm just going to take this back out while I'm putting these in. So it's very simple how it goes in. And what I'll do is I'll zoom in for you here. Okay, now we'll just show you how to install it on behind the back seat, and I'll show you as well the front seat. So once we get this in here, now you can tuck this sort of in around the edge behind the seat on both sides. You can also just fold it if you want, if you don't want to tuck it in, but I tuck it in behind the seats there on the sides, just around it. And then just take your straps. Around. And there you go. That's fully installed behind the back seat. And to do it on the front seat, it's the exact same way. You're just basically, your seat's gonna be folded down and it's gonna hang it on the headrest in the back of the seat. So there it is, it sits safe and secure, nothing will scratch or scuff it, and it stays in place there. All right, have a great day.